Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are McPeek
Adventures.
Adventures. Danny, where are we today?
We are going to the Tulsa Air and Space Museum
And Planetarium in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Let's go adventuring. Upon entering the exhibit floor, if you turn to your left and head to the staircase, this takes you up through space exploration. Official NASA flight suit. What do you think of the space capsule?
It's like a Hershey's Kiss.
Hershey Kiss.
Well, we're here in the Tulsa Air and Space Museum, and this location has been open since 2005, but they first opened the museum in 1998. This is a great place for field trips, for birthday parties, if you're just wanting to learn more about aerospace. So here's the main floor.
I have a section here of authentic space merchandise that's been autographed that you can buy. My favorite's got to be this lamp right here. Pretty cool. Space shuttle cockpit.
That's the simulator.
This is wild. This was actually on Mars.
Very cool.
And I've got two more that are pending.
I'm coming out of the space capsule.
If you purchase a combo ticket, you get access to not just the Tulsa Air and Space Museum, but you also get access to the Planetarium. Here you get to choose from one of multiple videos to watch on your visit. This is a very interesting concept here. This is a RotoWorks aircraft. It's like part airplane, part helicopter. I've never seen one of those before.
Oh, it's like a massage chair.
What?
But it's like a
little reading
it's like
light?
an airplane seat.
This must be like first class or something. Definitely not one that we use.
It's fancy.
Here's a little history about the F-14A TomCat. The coolest part about it is they actually allow you to climb up here. Please do not enter the cockpit. This F-14 takes up the majority of the exhibit floor here. It's really neat to see this in person. Afterburn turbofan engine. into the American Airlines flagship Tulsa. Got all your little control knobs up here. Time to get on the hot air balloon simulator. Huh, I didn't know these had speedometers. Burn. Oh shoot. Oh dude, we're taking off. Up to 109 feet.
Wow, look at you operating a hot air balloon.
Here's a model of the old Tulsa Municipal Airport. You can see the Art Deco, which Tulsa is known for in here. There's a cornerstone that was from the 1931 dedication of that airport.
1931.
And this is some of the terracotta that used to line the old airport building.
Oh, I love Art Deco.
I found a space woman.
It was a great spacewalk.
What's been your favorite part of the museum experience so far?
I really loved seeing the recreation, that's the right word, of the original Tulsa Municipal Airport. It has some really cool Art Deco vibes to it, and that's one of my favorite things in art. So that's my favorite thing.
Did you ever want to be an astronaut when you were younger?
I did, actually. It was interesting to me until I saw the movie Rocket Man, and the thing that he gets in, I guess it's the gravity spin thing. I was like, no, I rethought my life. Well, that's pretty cool.
I feel like this holds way more seats than what a typical plane does today. Or it's just like a jumbo jet.
Uh-huh.
So it's got an upper level to it,
Well, the upper levels look like where the pilots go.
like a lounge or something.
Yeah.
They do have a space playground available if you have children that are needing a little area to let out some energy.
Oh gosh.
UFOs have taken over Tulsa. Yes.
So what does this do? This doesn't do anything.
Oh, come on, you don't need directions. You've flown before.
Oh my lord.
Get him, get him.
Oh my goodness.
So viewing this so far, you've probably seen that there are a ton of different types of aircrafts that are all stuck together in kind of a, I wouldn't say it's a small space, but it's definitely a space that has a lot going on inside. The reason for that, if you can see behind me, the whole museum is inside of an aircraft hangar. So it gives you a really unique perspective to look at all of these different planes and flight apparatuses.
If aviation is something that you're interested in or someone in your family is interested in and you want to come visit, go to the website that's in our description. We will drop it down there so that you can easily go and click on that. But they do have the option if you want to book a birthday party. They have a couple different options for what you want to do there. I think it's amount of guests. But anyway, you can do special events, birthday parties, and then they also have, if you're a teacher, you can look into doing field trips. So that is all on their website, and we'll drop it down in the description.
Got a retired American Airlines airplane here.
Tulsa is the headquarters of American Airlines. I was gonna say it seems like a lot more space, but also not a lot of space either.
The amount of buttons in an airplane cockpit is crazy. Every one of these little knobs and buttons and switches does something. Adventurers, this concludes our time here at the Tulsa Air and Space Museum and Planetarium. We hope you enjoyed watching this video.
If you enjoyed coming along with us on this adventure, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Threads.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure!